If you are unable to access your Yahoo Mail account and do not have verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page. This tool will guide you through the recovery process by asking for your email address or mobile number associated with your account. Step 2. Choose Recovery Options. After entering your email or mobile number, select the recovery option that you can access. If you do not have access to your recovery email or phone number, look for alternative options provided by Yahoo. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. This can help verify your identity and allow you to reset your password. Step 4. Use Account Recovery Form. If you cannot recover your account through the previous steps, fill out the Yahoo Account Recovery Form. Provide as much information as possible about your account and any recent activity to help Yahoo verify your identity. Step 5. Wait for Yahoo's response. After submitting the recovery form, wait for Yahoo to respond. They may take some time to review your request and will contact you via the email address you provided in the form with further instructions. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Yahoo Mail account. Remember to update your recovery options once you regain access to avoid similar issues in the future.